Hello, in this video we are going to walk through how to run different reports with parameters and filters. So should you be running your AR aging report or your sales order summary, whatever the case might be inside of Acumatica, you always have the ability to add in different parameters and filters right here. So when you navigate to your report that you're going to run, you'll have the ability to run the report. And by default, Acumatica has certain parameters that are usually defined for these reports. So for example, this is going to show the company or branch that we're currently logged into, as well as the month start to today's date. If we go back, these parameters are defined right here automatically by Acumatica. Should we want to change these, you could always click in and change them. In addition, reports will have different parameters that oftentimes aren't default. So if you wanted to run this for a particular customer, you could always go in here and grab a specific customer that you'd like and run the report based off of that customer. This is also the case with both the warehouse and the inventory ID. Now, you also have the ability to add in additional sort and filters. So just as you can with Excel or generic inquiries inside of Acumatica, you can also sort and filter reports in the same way. So if you wanted to add in an additional sorting condition, you can do that right here. Or if you wanted to add in a filter, you can do that here. In this example, we're going to filter based off of the quantity. So we're going to say the ordered quantity is going to be, we'll say greater than, and then a value of 25. I'm going to go ahead and click run the report. And now this report is only going to show me the sales orders within this date range that have the order quantity greater than 25. So if you remember from before, we had 3 lines showing. Now there's only 2 because we've added that filter right here. This can be a whole slew of different filters that can be added or different sorting conditions you can add. But as always, as I mentioned, Acumatica will have the default parameters that you'd like to be able to run. Should you need to change these, you can always change these to see more or less information or information that you are specifically looking for. I hope this video helps, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.